everyone. I'm Ivan Bergado, a first-year student from Quimdi at Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges, taking a Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Today, I'm going to share some strategies I personally use to manage stress as a criminology student.
Strategy 1. Time management and prioritization.
One of the biggest treasures for me is the sheer volume of readings, case studies, and assignments. What I found helpful is effective time management. I use a planner to break down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Prioritizing tasks based on deadlines and importance help me stay on track and avoid last-minute cramming. I allocate specific time slots for different subjects and stick to them as much as possible. This prevents me from feeling overwhelmed and ensures I dedicate enough time to each area of study.
Strategy 2. Physical activity and mindfulness.
Criminology can be mentally draining, so I make it a point to incorporate physical activity into my routine, whether it's a quick boxing or even just stretching exercise helps release endorphins and reduce stress. I also practice mindfulness through short meditation sessions. Even just 5 minutes of deep breathing can make a huge difference. Finding a quiet space to clear my head allows me to refocus and approach my studies with a clearer perspective.
Strategy 3. Social support and hobbies.
Having a strong support system is crucial. I regularly connect with friends, family, and classmates. Discussing challenges and sharing experiences helps me feel less alone and provides valuable insights. I also make time for hobbies I enjoy, whether it's playing online games like Mobile Legends and cooking. Engaging in activities outside of academics helps me unwind and recharge.
Strategy 4. Seeking guidance and counseling.
It's important to recognize when stress becomes overwhelming. Don't hesitate to reach out if you're struggling. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your academic performance. So, those are some of the strategies I use to manage stress as a criminology student. I hope these tips are helpful. Remember to find what works best for you and prioritize your well-being. Thank you for watching.